Hello, guys. This is Super Angry Kitty again. I'm not quite in the shop, but this is another unboxing video. At this time, this is my new Serger sewing machine. I just got it in today. My mom just got it out the car for me at this box. It's not really that heavy, but it does have a weight to it when I brought it in and stuff. So, I'm gonna open it and see how it looks from inside, because you can never know and stuff. So I'm gonna grab my scissors. We're gonna start getting this open now, so let's go. Alright, there we go. That's the first layer of it. Time for the second layer. I'm not sure about the second layer because this has like staples on it. They really boxed this real good. But actually, I hope I didn't flip the sewing machine upside down. So I'm gonna open it from this way, from where the tape is. I think I might do something. I think. Let me see. Yeah, the light is a little better. So let's get this out. I'm going to keep this instruction book and the DVD because, well, I'm still a beginner cosplayer and it's still a beginner in cosplay and sort of still a beginner at sewing. But my sewing did get a bit better. So I'm keeping these instructions because this sewing machine is more advanced. This one is more harder. Okay, we got the foot. It was cold. Was in the car and stuff. And oh my god. Yep, I unboxed it with the sewing machine upside down, so I flip over. Open it. Box is big. Alright. I gotta hurry up with this unboxing video because my camera's gonna die. Oh, it's freezing. Oh, it's freezing. I can feel cold air coming from it. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. I didn't realize this thing was going to be heavy because it was so small. Oh. It came with the... Why did they do it like this? Like, because... I guess it goes in here. Because... Let me just put these things on because they're kind of twisted. I don't know. Oh god. Okay, here what it looks like from a different angle and stuff. I had no idea that rised up and stuff, so. I'm going to test it out and stuff because, well, first I gotta read the instructions first before even practicing, knowing how to use this. Well, 2 days ago I watched a tutorial of how to use this and I seen a lady working on something and stuff, and she showed how to use it and stuff. But her serger was different. Her serger was different from this one, but this one is still a serger. Her serger had like I think her serger was like this, but the front here was different. Stuff. Since the strings are already on here, I don't think I have to do anything with it. But anyway, that's all I gotta say for today. Anyway, thanks for watching this unboxing video. Also, this is a Christmas gift. And I know I opened up early, but I don't think anyone cares anymore about like opening their gifts on Christmas and stuff because I don't know. A lot of people, some people don't care anymore. My mom don't care anymore and stuff. She got herself something for Christmas as well and stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching. Happy holidays, guys. Subscribe and like.